Hi traders, Nathan Bray here from ACY Securities. Well, it could be a game of firsts in a few hours' time. We've got the Bank of Canada forecast, other than Switzerland, but we'll leave that aside, to start cutting rates. That is the forecast from the brains trust of the economic world, and keep in mind that may come across traditionally as very weak for the Canadian currency, but around the same time we've got the US coming out with their ADP version, okay, of their NFP. So it is going to be a big couple of days here. So are we going to see lots of volatility in this market for a short period of time depending on these results? So keep an eye on that dollar CAD. Moving on from there though, a few hours later, we've got the ECB, folks. Is Europe finally going to do their first cut? The forecast is that they are. What kind of reaction could that have? And then will the other G10 countries simply just follow suit as their time comes? So will that be factored in? Has it been factored in? These are the questions. And then remember to finish it off like at the end of Daytona, at the end of the Indy 500 or Formula One, are we going to have this sort of big fireworks with the US NFP coming out, which might give some credence to whether or not they may cut in line with everyone else. But keep in mind, what if they don't cut? Does that give strength to this euro? So what I'm looking at, okay, as far as the effect it might have on stock markets globally, I'm keeping it simple. I'm looking at this US dollar index. So I'm looking at the uptrend on the weekly that this US dollar index is in. If we get a pullback, which we have, right back to previous resistance acting as support, and this holds, and this could be an explosive move for this US dollar. But it's not that simple, because last night, I don't know who they are, but some kind of big whale type buyer, rhymes with Federal Reserve, okay, dove in and started buying US debt. All this money buying bonds, especially US treasuries, and the yield suddenly collapsing. But could this be a catalyst globally for all of this liquidity, creating more inflation pressures in the future? Have a look at gold. Okay, it is in a strong uptrend and it has retraced down again to this 23.45, which was an interesting level of resistance and support previously. Could it be coming back to retest that support level? Could we then, if we start to get rates being cut around the world, or the market even considering it, could we start to continue the trend higher? That's all from me, folks. Enjoy the rest of this week and enjoy the fireworks.